This is my intro. This is my intro. This is my intro. Ugh. Hi guys, it's Bosa. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. So for today's video, I feel like this has been one of my most requested videos, and finally I have gotten around to making it. I intended to make it maybe 6 months ago, but I didn't have all my products, my staple products with me. Now that I was able to get all of them, I filmed all the content. All the products I use will be down in the description box. I also want to mention that they're from Mega Standard, so in case you want to get them, please do. They range between 28 to 35,000 Uganda shillings, which I think is somewhat affordable. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe down below because it helps me out, and that would just be great. Also, just by the way, I have low porosity hair and it is 4C hair. So this wash day took me about one and a half hours without counting the time that I was outside the shower. Other than that, let's get started.
So my hair is in sections because that's how I like to wash my hair. The first thing I do when I get into the shower is apply some conditioner to a wet section of hair. I personally have been loving the Tresemme Biotin Repair Conditioner because it's cheap and it has great sleep. I apply the conditioner to my hair, gently finger detangle, remove any knots and shed hairs that I might find, and then follow up with a wide tooth comb through the section and remove any knots and tangles that my hands might have missed. Now the reason I do this is to remove shed hairs, to reduce tangling, and also to protect my hair from the harsh shampoo process. So when I'm done and comfortable with the section and I feel like I have combed out all the tangles, one thing you will notice is I comb from the tips to the roots. This way I do not break out my hair and it's not falling apart. I twist the section into smaller sections. I don't make them too small, but again, they're not too big to be unraveled by the weight of the water as I wash my hair, because you will see that I wash my hair or shampoo my hair while it's still in this twist, because that's what works for me. So I do the same exact thing to all the sections. I take down a section, apply water to it. I also find that when my hair is wet, it's malleable, so while I'm in the shower, I take advantage of that and apply as much water as I need. Now keep in mind, as I do this, all the water is a little warmer than warm, just because I want to wash out any debris before I put on any product, and also because I like the temperature. If you do have 4C hair, I hate to break it to you, but the reality is that it does take more work than other textures, I think, because I haven't had other textures. But my personal experience with 4C hair is it needs time, a little TLC. Now don't get me wrong, I am very proud of my hair. I love my texture. I wouldn't change it for anything in the world, but I'm not going to deny the fact that it actually takes time. It took me about 1.5 hours to wash my hair on this particular day. Now this is me giving you guys a random length check and provoked, just because I like to do it. Also because every time I'm in the shower or by myself, I just feel like my hair doesn't grow. I know it grows, do not come for me. I have seen that it has grown. It just doesn't feel that way to me. So this is what my hair looked like after I squeezed out the product. I made that face because the conditioner is quite nasty as you squeeze it out. Now because I have low porosity hair, I do tend to spend a lot of time rinsing and squeezing out product from my hair. I like to use warm water for this because I think it melts away the conditioner. I don't know if that's a real thing, but I think it is. So moving on, I do go in with a shampoo. Lately I have been using the Power Wash by Auntie Jackie's. I've actually been using it for about 12 to 14 months now. This is my second bottle and this is all I have left. I like this shampoo because I have low porosity hair and it's a clarifying shampoo. It does have apple cider vinegar to it, which helps to reduce dandruff. If you're suffering from dandruff, I highly recommend this shampoo. I apply the shampoo directly to my scalp and gently massage it with my fingertips for about 5 to 10 minutes, making sure to get all the sections and also getting my hairline. I know people tend to forget it, but it's important that you get your hairline, because if you do wear gels, I don't wear them often, but if you do wear gels often, you tend to put most of them around the perimeters of your hair, so it is important that you just wash them away. So after 5 to 10 minutes of me working the shampoo onto my scalp, I go ahead to rinse it out. And again, because I have low porosity hair, I do take a while doing this. Comment down below how many times I have said low porosity hair in this video. I feel like it has been the highlight of my wash day. And when I feel like I have rinsed out almost all the shampoo from my hair, I will go in with another round of shampoo, this time focusing on both my scalp and the length of my hair, because I feel like that's what works for me. And this time you'll notice that my hair lathers a lot much more better because most of the buildup has been washed away. So I find that the combination of this particular shampoo and the conditioner that I use as my pre-poo will not leave your hair feeling stripped of its natural mineral oils. As much as this is a clarifying shampoo, while I rinsed it out, my hair still felt soft to the touch. I also took this time to, like massage my scalp gently and just squeeze out all the shampoo. To my favorite part of wash day, I have been loving the Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. What deep conditioners are supposed to do for you is add moisture back to your hair and also to balance out the pH of your hair. So I take my twists and twist them into bigger sections and just leave one part out at a time. This way I am able to get each and every twist without missing out any. And this is what my hair looked like before I applied my deep conditioner. To give you guys more context on this mask, which I have been using for about 18 months now, sis understands the assignment. She's not here to play. It's thick and has great sleep, which means you can easily detangle your hair with it. It also smells nice and will leave your hair moisturized and feeling soft. It retails for 28 to 35,000 Uganda shillings, depending on where you buy it, for a 340 gram tin, which means you'll get 4 to 5 washes. If you are anything like me, who is very heavy handed and has thick hair, I gently apply it with my fingers, finger detangle, and then go in with a wide tooth comb again to get any knots that I might have missed or caused during the shampoo process. I will then section my hair again and twist it back up into all those sections it was in before. This is why I said 4C hair is a lot of work. Doing this in one go is just going to leave all my hair matted, and it defies all the hard work that I have put into my hair on this particular day. This is what my hair looks like with the deep conditioner I need. My twists look healthy and happy. I do the same exact thing for all the sections, and this is what my hair looks like when I am done. Now, normally I would sit under a heated cup, but on this particular day, I didn't find the need to. I went ahead to take a quick shower and let the steam from the shower just work its way onto my hair. Then I went ahead to rinse out my deep conditioner without unveiling my twists. Do this for about 10 to 15 minutes because I find that deep conditioners are the trickiest to rinse out of my hair. And even then, I will still have some deep conditioner left in my hair at times. So while I'm still in the shower, I like to apply my leave-in, which is the anti-Jackies Quench My Fast leave-in conditioner. And that's pretty much all I do, guys. I do not take my twist down at this point. Love and blessings. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.